Hey guys, Harrison here from Tool Talk, and today on Tool Talk TV, we're going to be taking a quick look at the KNIPEX ErgoStrips. And if you stick around to the end of this video, you can even win yourself this very item. Let's get into it. So let's first open this bad boy up. I have got a blade, but let me see if I can pop this open because someone will be getting this. Never skip thumb day. Nailed it. So there we go. There is the KNIPEX ErgoStrip. I'll be honest, I was expecting when we ordered this for it to be a little bit bigger because I've seen some videos online and it seemed bigger than that. So maybe they've just got small hands or maybe I've just got really big hands. Now from my understanding, this is a multi-purpose stripping device. It's great for all sorts of cable that you need to strip. Spring loaded, so you're not having to faff about opening the bad boy up. And then I guess for traveling, it's got a little lock on the side, keeps it shut so it's not flapping about inside your toolbox. It's reinforced plastic, feels pretty sturdy to me. I can imagine it can probably take a bit of a beating. I'm sure it's not completely indestructible, but it feels pretty sturdy. Got like a honeycomb inside, which I imagine helps with the strength and robustness of the item. Now I can't speak for the genuine usefulness of this item, but we've had a bunch of reviews over on Tool Talk. For example, stripping SWA cable seems to be coming up a bunch of times in the reviews. Apparently this makes it super simple to strip those down. And the fixed depth means that you can just strip the wires without worrying about slicing all the way through the cables. And then one final thing I noticed as well is potentially the price is an issue for some people, considering it is such a small, simple item really. But the amount of time it saves you and the amount of wasted cable it saves you, it more than pays for itself. There we have it guys, that is the KNIPEX ErgoStrip, super simple stripping tool by KNIPEX. So guys, if you would like to win this KNIPEX, this very KNIPEX ErgoStrip touched by my hands, these hands, then all you have to do is head over to Tool Talk. If you've not downloaded the Tool Talk app yet, it's completely free to download. Links are in the description for iOS and Android. Download the app, go and leave a review for the KNIPEX brand. If you've already left a review for the brand, amazing. You're already in with a chance of winning this. And what we will do is we will announce a winner live over on our Tool Talk Facebook page on Friday, the 30th of October. If you're watching this video after the 30th of October, then unfortunately you've missed out on this competition, but please subscribe to the channel because we do loads more on a weekly basis. And if you've not already downloaded the Tool Talk app yet, click that link in the description, download the Tool Talk app for free and start saving money on the tools that you love.